Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am discuss with you a circular flow of income, and the economic consists of the basic economic activity of production, consumption and the investment activity. They are the vital process of the economics because they are the based of the survival and the growth. All these activity, productions, consumptions and the investment is basically related to the livelihood, and that means the survival of the life and the growth of the economics and the individual. In carry out these activities, a producer produce goods. In those activities, what's happened? The producer, when we consider about the producer produce the goods and services. Why the producer produce goods and services? The customer buy these goods and services, because customer buy the goods and services, so producer produce the goods and services, and thereby the generate income. On this process, a producer generate the income and the customers pay the money, and the income generate in the production process flow in the circular order. It is called the circular flow, as this is a continuous process. A producer produce the goods and services, and the customers consume the goods and services, and this process is be continue regular, and it's create the circular manner. So it's becomes there is no end of the human wants. Why it's regular? Because there is no ends of the human wants. Unlimited wants are the created, and all the wants are not satisfied at a time. So day to day there is normally different types of the wants are the created, and so producer produce the goods and services to satisfy the maximum want. So that process is the continuous occurs, and this process create the income. Level of the economic activities causes income and the productions to flow in the circular manner. अगर हम इकोनॉमिक्स की बात करें तो क्या होता है, एक प्रोड्यूसर गुड्स प्रोड्यूस करता है, दूसरे समय क्या होता है, वायर यानी कस्टमर उस गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को परचेज करता है. अगर सोचिए कि इस प्रोसेस में एक ब्रेक लगा दिया जाए, क्या होगा इस ब्रेक का अंतर कि प्रोड्यूसर प्रोड्यूस द गुड्स एंड कंज्यूमर नॉट परचेज द गुड्स. व्हाट हैपन दिस प्रोसेस? प्रोड्यूसर्स नेवर टू ग्रो द इनकम. एक उत्पादक के लिए इनकम के सोर्सेज जो है क्या होगा, ब्लॉक हो जाएंगे, उनको इनकम होगा ही नहीं. और ऐसे कंडीशंस में जब इनकम नहीं होगा तो वो क्या करेंगे, प्रोडक्शंस करेंगे? बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. अब जब वो प्रोडक्शंस नहीं करेंगे तो फिर बायर उसको परचेज नहीं कर पाएगा. तो सिमिलरली the producer produce the goods and buyer purchase the goods, and that process income is generated. Just like a producer invest some money and produce the goods, and consumer purchase the goods, and that's the invested money is returned to the producer. It means the circular flow of the income is generated because economic